Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy. Welcome to this video and welcome to my channel. So as you can see today, as you can see from the title, we're gonna look at Perfect Ear today. This app is, let's see what it's offering us. Perfect Ear is our personal guide to the world of music. So we're gonna take a few seconds to configure the application, and this will ensure the best possible experience for us, they're saying. So let's go see continue. Do I prefer a piano or a guitar? I'd say piano. So you can also connect your Google Play game services. Okay, I will. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'm waiting for you guys. All right. So we have our ear trainings, right? So we have our theory, interval comparison, interval identification, interval singing, and reading. We also have scales exercise, chord exercises. So, and from here we have our rhythm exercise. From here, we have our staff training, preach trainers, and guitar trainers, and theory. And from here, we have our profile. So here, we can have the theory of the classes reading here. So you can check them out from this book icon. From this three dots, we can get to About and Settings. And let's see, what do we have in the settings? In the settings, we actually have note names that we can choose, which remains, I'm gonna go with romance. Yeah. We have default tempo. We have this, I think 90 BPM is the, like, that's what I was using when I was learning piano. We can disable audio feedback. We can enable haptic feedback. We have quick mode. The next question will not be played immediately. It's going to be up to you. So as you can see, there's a lot of things that you can do. And our theme is, let's go with dark. Yes, I like that. As you can see, we have a lot of settings that we can actually do. And you can also check the premium content. Why you should become a premium, you will learn. So let's try a rhythm exercise from here. A theory. Let's go with, okay, for these ones we have to become a premium, I believe. No. Well, so I did well. While you blow is your latency adjustment settings. Note that negative volume is used when the metronome lags behind your tap, and positive volume when your tap lags behind the metronome. You can always come back to this page later and find your tune latency adjustment manually, or rerun the calibration. Okay, let's go back for now. So we have our rhythm imitation also. I didn't understand. Sorry, but you have to be more accurate. Okay, This is not for me. This is for the people who wants to be in love with music. Yes, I was doing piano and all those things, but I have realized that it's not mine. It's really not my thing, and that's why I don't do those things anymore. But I think people who are into music would understand what the heck is going on down there, because I just couldn't understand what was going on. Like, you have to press here, press there. Like, I was like, what's going on? What's going on? But okay. Let me know, like, what was that thing? What was I supposed to do? So let's try some ear rhythm. Okay, major and minor seconds. Let's start. Which interval is larger? The second is larger. Ha 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 ha. No, it wasn't this one. I thought I was good for a second. Now I have lost all my hope again. Like, no, I actually understand the difference, but I don't know these terms, because when it comes to learning piano, I was home alone by myself with my piano. Don't ask me why we had a piano, because we didn't. My uncle had it. I was working in their house. When we had the books and stuff like that, I was there, doing. But I cannot do it now. But I'm pretty sure the ones who's into instruments, who's into music, will be able to use this app the way it's supposed to be used. So I believe in you. I trust you guys. So go download this app. If you like this video and if you found this app helpful, which I know you did, that's why you go in and try and download that app. So don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to hit that button, like you hit the piano keys, bum, 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 just like that. Hit that like button. And you know what's this look about, right? Don't you? If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I know you did. I hear you. My ears are working. But in case of, like maybe you thought you did, some things like that happen, and you look down right now and that button is still red. That means you gotta go and hit that button like you would hit a piano key. Bum, bum. That's what you're gonna do, right? You're gonna hit that button so you and me and you, we can see each other in my next video. See you guys in my next video.